know that less than 10% of people ever achieve true financial freedom? That's right, despite all the advice and tools available today, most remain stuck living paycheck to paycheck. But what if there's a way out? In this video, we'll dive deep into the secrets of achieving financial freedom and actionable steps to get you there. What does financial freedom mean to you? Think about it for a moment. Imagine having complete control over your time and money, being able to pursue your passions, and living without financial stress. That vision may seem distant, but it's achievable if you follow the right principles. Financial freedom isn't reserved for the lucky few. It's accessible to anyone willing to learn, plan, and take action. I'll also be sharing a key mindset shift that transformed how I approach money and life. So make sure you stay until the end because this insight could change everything for you. We'll also cover real-life stories of people who made it, despite facing massive financial hurdles. Their journeys prove that no matter where you start, financial freedom is possible. Trust me, if they can do it, so can you. Please like, share and subscribe before proceeding. Please welcome to this journey toward financial freedom. Imagine waking up without worrying about bills, debts, or financial constraints. Sounds like a dream, right? In this video, I'll break down what financial freedom really means and how you can take the first steps toward achieving it. Financial freedom is not just about being rich, it's about being in control of your finances and having the resources to live life on your terms. Why does this matter in today's world? The truth is, financial stress is one of the biggest causes of anxiety and unhappiness. By gaining control over your finances, you unlock new opportunities for happiness, personal growth, and even helping others. We'll break down exactly what steps to take, the pitfalls to avoid, and the mental blocks that might be holding you back. I'll also share personal insights on what worked for me. So grab a notebook because these actionable tips might just change your financial future forever. Please like, share and subscribe before proceeding. Please, the path to financial freedom is filled with obstacles that most people struggle to overcome. Let's talk about 4 major challenges. Debt. Whether it's student loans, credit cards, or mortgages, debt can weigh you down and make financial growth feel impossible. Many people fall into the trap of only paying the minimum, which keeps them in debt for years. High interest rates compound the problem. To combat debt, one strategy is the debt snowball method, where you pay off your smallest debts first to build momentum. Alternatively, the debt avalanche method focuses on tackling high-interest debts first. Lack of savings. Studies show that a significant percentage of people can't cover a $500 emergency without borrowing money. Without savings, unexpected expenses can derail your financial plans. Start small. Aim for a $1,000 emergency fund and gradually build it to 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Poor financial planning. Without a clear plan, people often spend more than they earn and never invest for their future. Living without a budget makes it easy to fall into a cycle of financial chaos. Begin by creating a monthly budget and reviewing it regularly. Budgeting apps can help automate this process. Mindless spending. Subscription services, impulse buys, and lifestyle inflation are silent killers of financial health. Track your expenses for a month to identify wasteful spending. The influence of society. Social pressure to keep up with others often pushes people into spending beyond their means. Recognizing this influence can help you make better financial decisions. These challenges may seem overwhelming, but they're not insurmountable. The first step is identifying the problem, and you've already done that by watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe before proceeding. Please. So, how do we overcome these challenges? Budgeting. Create a realistic budget that tracks your income and expenses. Start by listing all your monthly expenses and comparing them to your income. Cut out unnecessary expenses, and allocate money towards savings and debt repayment. A great method to try is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to essentials, 30% to discretionary spending, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Review your budget monthly to adjust for changes in income or expenses. Investing. Start small but invest consistently. Investing in stocks, ETFs, and retirement accounts helps your money grow over time. Remember, the earlier you start, the more compound interest works in your favor. Don't be afraid to seek help from financial advisors or use beginner-friendly investment platforms. Start by investing in low-cost index funds. Building passive income streams. Look into side hustles or opportunities like affiliate marketing, dividend investing, or creating online content. Passive income allows you to earn money without actively working for it after the initial setup. Emergency fund. Build an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This helps protect you from unexpected financial shocks. Financial education. Continuously learn about personal finance through books, podcasts, and credible online resources. Developing new skills. Upskilling can increase your earning potential and open up new career opportunities, accelerating your path to financial freedom. The key to success here is consistency and discipline. Please like, share and subscribe before proceeding. Please, here's the game-changing insight. Financial freedom is more about your mindset than just money itself. It's about shifting from a scarcity mindset to one of abundance. Believe that your time is valuable, that you're capable of earning more, and that financial success is within reach. Let's break this down. People with a scarcity mindset focus on what they don't have and make decisions out of fear. They think there's never enough money to go around. On the other hand, those with an abundance mindset believe there are endless opportunities to create wealth. They take calculated risks, invest in themselves, and think long-term. How can you adopt this mindset? Start by surrounding yourself with people who inspire and motivate you. Consuming positive and educational content about finances. Celebrating small financial wins to build confidence. Practicing gratitude for what you already have. This mental shift empowers you to take risks, stay disciplined, and build the future you deserve. Trust yourself and your ability to create value. That's the real key to sustained financial success. Please like, share and subscribe before proceeding. Please, let's recap. Overcoming debt, saving consistently, investing wisely, and cultivating the right mindset are key to achieving financial freedom. The journey isn't easy, but it's absolutely possible. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, planning, and a commitment to lifelong learning. But by taking small steps every day, you'll gradually see progress and feel more in control of your finances. One final tip: keep educating yourself. Financial literacy is one of the best investments you can make. Read books, follow financial experts, and stay curious. Financial success is built on a foundation of continuous learning and growth. Please like, share and subscribe before proceeding. Please, now it's your turn. Drop a comment sharing your experience or challenges with financial freedom. What steps are you taking to achieve it? Let's support each other on this journey. And if you're ready to level up your financial game, check out this video where I share more actionable tips to help you win with money. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future insights. Remember, financial freedom starts with taking that first step. See you in the next video.